Make sure you let the camera see too, Nathan.
You can put it on the chair, well, wherever you want to do.
Okay, I can stand up.
You can leave it there. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Whoa. What do you got there?
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh, wow. What you got there? What is it, Nene?
A robot truck.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you say, buddy?
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're more than welcome, my dear. More than welcome. Can you open it up?
Are you smiling?
Yes.
You want to open it now, or you want to open it later?
I'll open it now.
Here, tell Uncle John, Grandpa John, he can cut the box and stuff. Some of the box was missing in the store, and that was the only one they had, but